This is Kent Rupert, Team Leader for Airdrie Economic Development, and this is Business Life in Airdrie. Today I'm here with Glenn Gurman, President and CEO of Zytech Building Systems. And thanks, Glenn, very much for allowing us to come out and taking your time to interview you a little bit about your company. So for people that don't know about Zytech, what can you tell us about what Zytech does?
Zytech is a supplier of building supplies to new home builders in Alberta. And what's really neat is we're really focused on components, so we like to pre-manufacture the walls, the floors, the trusses, but also for conventional framing we like to supply all the sticks and parts that go in regular framing jobs as well.
Excellent. So you started your company here back in '97 in Airdrie, and now you're all over Alberta, and you just came back to Airdrie and purchased this large site on East Lake Boulevard. Can you tell us a little bit about what you're doing on this site?
Yeah, so this is a really exciting part, Kent, for Zytech, our next step. The world is changing and we're trying to keep up with it. The fast frame product line is something that we've created that we've made this facility in Airdrie to support. Mm-hmm. We are bringing in the most automated wood manufacturing equipment from the world out of Sweden into this facility. And what's important is being in Airdrie, you've got such great access to highways, and with, you mentioned our locations across Alberta, it's very important with this fast frame product that we're able to get up and down the highway too, serving up to northern Alberta as well as down to southern Alberta.
Excellent. So you talked a little about being global, and 2 years ago you just expanded down into Glendale, Arizona, and made an investment down there. Rumors have it because you're a Coyotes hockey fan, but yeah. Can you tell us why you decided to move south of the border into Glendale?
We saw an opportunity there. The housing industry took a real crash and is starting to build momentum, and we wanted to be part of the regrowth of that. And what's really neat is when you're doing business in Arizona, you actually are doing business with a lot of Canadians and specifically a lot of Albertans. So we really felt at home being there, and as time is going along, we're finding that some of our existing customers in Alberta are starting to build projects there. So it's a natural, I guess we're complementing and supporting our customers in Alberta to wherever they go.
Excellent. And you mentioned also that technology is really important for the type of systems you build, and you did travel essentially all over the world to find the right systems for you. Tell us a little bit how technology has changed sort of what you do and the industry of what you do.
Well, the technology has changed dramatically, and what's interesting is about 10 years ago, I believe our industry was still in the 70s, and it's been tough to find technology. We're really mindseted into construction of how we do our things, how we build, and where Zytech comes in is we want to influence the change using technology, and so a barrier to this is it's a huge expense. So this equipment is very expensive. So a lot of companies don't want to take that route to make that investment to add automation. But we see it's really important to be able to grow, to make it easier for a workforce to come in and fill our positions, and to be able to just make construction simpler.
Excellent. So obviously your head office is out in the Balzac area, yeah. And now you're back in Airdrie with this. Tell us a little bit about how you support the community and what you do for the community.
So we love this community, and a big part what we see and through my leadership is the young people are our future leaders. So anything involved with young people, the kids, whether it's the Alberta Minor Hockey Association supporting the kids in hockey, supporting the local soccer, Miss School, Miss Out program we do through Rotary. We want to make sure that we're involved, giving them what they need to be a kid and to grow and be strong, so that when it's time for them to come into a leadership position, hopefully we've done a little bit to add to some of their fundamentals.
Excellent, and certainly we're happy to have Zytech in our community, and it's always fun to watch businesses grow, and so thanks very much, and we appreciate you taking the time to sit down and tell us a little bit more about Zytech and in all your operations throughout North America. Make sure that you get the full story in Airdrie Life's Fall Edition. This is Kent Rupert with Airdrie Life in Business, and thanks for watching.